look at this fucking, yo, this shit's hard to do, bro. This graffiti and shit.
Hey, focus in right about now.
Whoa, what was that? Whoa, what's that? Here, just sit here for a second. I think she's scared. I think she's scared. She's like, yo, what the fuck? Yo, Bambino, you into white girls?
Yeah. This guy's into anything.
I think she's scared. Yo, let's just follow her, see how long it takes for her to say something. It's like she's moving in slow motion. Go, keep going, keep following her. See if she starts running.
Do you have a problem?
No, hi.
No, I'm good actually.
How are you?
It's a fucking great day in Miami, huh? Beautiful.
Yes.
How are those pictures going for you? Saw you taking some pictures.
Yeah. I'm not from here, so I thought the graffiti looked really cool.
Oh, we can tell you're not from here.
That's cool. Don't let us bother you. Keep taking pictures. That's fine. Just keep following.
Do you need directions or something? I can't.
No,
see it.
not at all. No, we don't need no directions.
Okay.
We're familiar with the area.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Just keep following her. See if we can get on her nerves.
Hi again.
Hey, how you doing?
Are you sure you don't need help with something? 'Cause
No,
we're kinda
we're good.
busy.
You want us to? I can take your photo with.
I'm good. I got
Okay. Awesome. So which one's your favorite?
all of them? I don't know.
Just keep following her. Keep following her. Keep following her.
I like that one.
That was pretty cool.
I like that one.
Yo, that guy's holding a gun. Be careful.
If I shoot you.
He's gonna rob you. Yeah. Keep on. Cut her off. She pulled her skirt down.
Don't you have anything better to do?
This is kind of fun.
This is actually pretty fun. What's your name?
Snow.
You don't want to tell us? Hi. Hello. All right, look. I'm sorry. I'm just teasing you. I'm sorry.
Is this what you do all day? Just walk around or drive around teasing women?
Not every day.
No, not every day. We try to do it.
Tuesday.
We try to do it every what? What is it?
Every couple of days.
You guys are sketchy. Just
No, we're not. We're not. Listen. Come here. We're you don't have to be scared of us.
We're very friendly.
I don't know. Random guys in a white van.
At least it's white, right? If we were like, if we were,
Windows are tinted.
that's okay.
What are
But
you doing back there?
if we were bad people, it'd be black van, right? So we could hide in the night. Listen, my name's Lou. Come here.
I'm staying right here.
You're staying right there
Why are you filming this?
because we're actually interviewing people that kind of like come and visit Wynwood. We
Well,
work
why
for
didn't you start
we work
with
for the
that?
city. We work for the city. We're
Why
trying.
didn't you start with that?
Okay, well, I wanted to break the ice by teasing a little bit. We work for the city of Wynwood, and we're just like, you know, it's tourists, you know, we're just trying to see the tourists that come and visit. We're trying to, you know, see what we could do better to bring more tourists.
Okay.
So, how do you like our walls?
They're pretty.
They're pretty?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we got some really talented people here, right? Can you come closer, you don't mind? I just don't want to, my microphone can't pick you up that far away.
Yeah, don't pay my part still.
We actually pay for interviews because we know that you're busy and, you know, busy taking pictures and stuff, and you got plenty of things to do throughout the day.
Just for like an interview?
Yeah, look, it's $20. It's all yours, no strings attached. You can have that.
Seriously?
I'm pretty serious, dude.
I'll take it.
I got it.
Whoa, that's quick. Shit,
She's hungry.
Jesus. Are you doing okay financially? You definitely grabbed that kind of fast, if you don't mind me saying.
Well, I mean, someone offers you 20 bucks, what are you gonna do?
I mean, if it was a cheeseburger, I'd say you're starving. You give us like a 10-minute interview?
10 minutes?
Yeah, 10-minute. I want to kind of get your view on Miami. I want to see where you're from.
Show you around Wynwood, man.
We can show you around. We can show you some fun spots. I mean, you look by yourself. I mean, you look like you're by yourself. I don't mean to. Like, did you not come with friends? Do you not have any? Do you not?
I
have
just
any
kind of
friends?
just started walking around and saw where it took me. Kind of spontaneous, I guess.
Wow.
But
Okay.
still kind of hesitant about getting in a van with strangers.
Is that how you live
For
your?
strangers, we met already.
Yeah, we're
Well-
definitely no longer strangers.
Well, I was raised in the country, so was told to avoid scenarios like this.
Yeah, we're raised in this country too.
Where? What? Yeah, we were all raised in this country. Oh, you're raised in the country.
There we go.
Okay, so what? Where you from?
Just the Midwest area.
Midwest. You just got here in Miami. Is this your first time?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm sorry. I don't mean to.
Huh?
Like, that. You see the freeway over there? Yeah, it's really loud. Do you mind if you kind of step in the van just so we can get a better interview?
Yo, show her in, bro. She's scared. Open the door, bro.
I'm fine right here.
I can show you. There's no one in
Look,
here.
there's nothing crazy
Don't get
in here.
nervous. Like, don't be scared. There's no one. There's a we have a pet baboon. You like animals? You like animals?
You have a pet baboon?
We have a pet baboon. He's in here.
His name is Bambino.
We named him Bambino. I don't know if you see him.
Bullshit.
Look, take a look for yourself. You think I'm joking?
I don't hear anything. I don't hear any monkey noises.
He's a silent baboon. He hasn't quite learned how to.
You know what? This is ridiculous. I'm
Look,
really
I got
sorry.
look. Whoa, look.
Wait,
Oh, look what I
no.
found. Look what I found. Oh, look what I found.
Okay.
Look what I
I'm
found.
not a dog.
Look what I found. Look, I found money. Whoa, gotta be faster. Look, gotta be faster than that. Look. Oh, damn.
Yeah, she got your ass.
Ah, you're quick. You're fucking quick.
All right. Okay.
So you get in, do this interview. It's just really loud. I don't want to
10
keep
minutes?
screaming at you.
10 minutes.
10 minutes is fine. I just
Just
don't want
10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes, ma'am. How old are you, by the way?
I am not a ma'am. I'm a miss.
Whatever you say, ma'am, miss.
Mamis.
Mammis.
I'm 22.
22. Did I even get your name? I'm so sorry. Name, please. Come on.
Okay.
Name. Hello.
Well, you gave me 40 bucks. My name's Alex.
That's a man's name. Yeah, I want your
All right, well,
name.
then you just lost $40.
No, hey, I'm just kidding. Oh my God, follow her. I want my money's worth. All right, Alex is a beautiful name. That's short for Alexandria, right? Alexis. That's just short for Alexis. That's why you said Alex, right?
Yes.
I hope it's not just Alex. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Okay, good.
Now, will you get in the fucking van already? I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Just please get in the van.
All right, well, keep the jokes at a minimum.
Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
10
Get in.
Put an alarm clock on your phone. We'll bring you back.
Yes, mister. Get in.
Bye.